We are so really entertaining. Di ba? Okay, ngayon papakita ko siya that magic is an art, hindi pabilisan. Paano? Papatalan mo. Yan ha, mabagal na ito, mga pyong ha. Sige, ready? Are you ready? The answer is slow. Are you ready? Why the fuck? Sabi may music naman, mabagay na may music, may daya pa rin. Walang music! Ako lang!
Sige nga.
Sige.
Beat ba?
Low pa. Bagal na rin ah. Sige.
Nagpawisan siya eh.
Sino magsasabi na magic is pabilisan nga, pabilisan? Di ba? Ito ang best friend namin. Ang alay niya ay Yellow King. Yellow King. Ha? Hindi ko yellow. Yeah, he's a bird. Who wants to touch my dog? Committee bar, but I'm professional. Okay? Who wants to touch my dog? Yes. Yeah. Right, thank you very much. And that is my second act of magic. Thank you.